Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am currently 36 weeks pregnant and I am nesting, full-blown nesting mode. I just want to share some tips on how you can kind of make this process easier. So I hope you like the video. Bye. You can hold it. This is going to be his like best friend. Isn't it cute? Baby industry, if you're watching this video, please stop using so many. Just do one or two.
Okay.
Can y'all see me? Y'all getting all these thighs. Hold on, girl. Hold on. Okay, as y'all can see, dang. What is this thing? Let me back y'all up a tad bit. Okay, as y'all can see, I started washing baby boy stuff. Y'all, the amount of rubber dig on tag ends that's on baby clothes, they should be ashamed of themselves. Like literally every blanket, sock, everything freaking has them rubber tabs on it, and I'm over it. Like I have been cutting all afternoon, evening, whatever time this is. But I washed his blankets, I washed his bibs and stuff like that. So next is his clothes. So I'm a little nervous about like some of the colored clothes like bleeding, so I separated them in 3 different small loads. So I'm about to wash those and clean up all of this so I can fold his other clothes. But y'all, it's the amount, I don't know how to explain it, the amount of these rubber tip ends, y'all know what I'm talking about, these like rubber things that's on every item, and then if you don't pull it out, it's going to stick to baby. So baby industry, if you're watching this video, please stop using so many. Just do one or two, okay? One or two. But yeah, I'm gonna speed this part up so y'all can just see me clean up before I take his clothes out of the dryer. And I'm watching Kendra, by the way. I just took me a good shower. That's why these legs is glistening. The arms are glistening. Thank you. We're glistening. So yeah, I'm already out of breath just by telling y'all that. Okay? All right, bye. Whew.
Yeah.
Hey guys, pro tip, if you have a lot of sets of baby clothes, make sure you wash all the sets together. I kind of made this mistake, and once I had put everything together, I was like, what goes with what? So don't be like me. Make sure you wash the set pieces all together and take pictures of them before you put them in the washing machine.
You see me do me da 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 da. So me bada work 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 work. Da 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 da. When you walk da da da.
Another tip is to find a bag to put in your socks and baby mittens. I found this from one of the gifts. I just tied it at the top, and I don't want my washing machine to eat any of baby boy's stuff, so make sure you just have a little bag for that. Also, I'm using the 7th generation detergent. I got it from Target. Honestly, it doesn't have much of a smell, but I do like what it smells like, if that makes sense. It doesn't smell like anything, but it does do something to the clothes to make them smell like fresh. I don't know how to explain it, but it's a good detergent.
You see me do my da 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 da. So me bada work 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 work. When you walk da 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 da. When the cat from my ta 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 ta.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. Let work come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done.
So this is his diaper bag. I'm just gonna put this is, I think, the blanket I'm gonna take to the hospital with me because it has this little thing, and I want to put it with his car seat and he can hold it. This is gonna be his like best friend. Isn't it cute? So I know I'm gonna take this one. I'll probably take 2 blankets. I'll probably take this one and this.
Stop rehashing your old hits. Get in touch with your inner.
I think I'm gonna take this one just because this one has like a coating in it, like a fleece coating at the bottom. So I think I'm gonna take those 2.
You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
She send me out there, work. You see me do my da. Tell me about that,
Okay guys, so this is the end of part 1. Make sure you come back tomorrow for part 2 to see how I organize all his clothes and put them in his dresser. And also I'm going to end this video with a little baking session that happened on Thanksgiving. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Good morning guys. So it is 10:50. Happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving morning. The only thing that I signed up for today was to bake cakes. Okay, so I'm gonna make this pineapple upside down cake. My family loves it, girl, but I'm gonna be honest with them, I literally only follow the directions on the box. Let me get the eggs out. Make sure I have eggs. Yeah, I literally only follow the directions on the box, so that's all I'm gonna tell y'all. And basically it's always on this side of the box, the pineapple upside down cake recipe. That's all I do. But first I need to preheat the oven so I can melt my butter, and we're supposed to preheat it to 350. Let me start Girl, I don't know if it's a whole stick of butter or half a butter. I haven't did this in a long time. Pow, pow. Half cup. Okay, it's a whole stick of butter that you're going to put in the pan, but I'm getting it softened while I preheat, and then I'm going to put... Y'all just going to see what I'm going to do because, girl, I'm talking and I'm already winded. But yeah, that's what I'm doing this morning. I'm going to finish the baby's, putting away the baby's stuff. That would be a separate video. I have been putting away the baby's stuff and washing clothes, and I'll go through his drawers after I'm done. And I'm going to wash one more set because last night I don't want his wet clothes to be like sitting in the dryer, and I knew I wasn't going to wake up, girl. I knew my... Last night I knew I wasn't going to get up to change them clothes out of the dryer, so I said I'm just wait till the morning to wash those, and then I'm gonna get ready for Thanksgiving. I may do a get ready with me because this would be like my 3rd trimester recap that I've been doing, so I think I'm gonna do a get ready with me because, girl, how many weeks we got? Like 3 weeks. And now everybody's trying to find rides and stuff to my mom's house because they do live a little far, so it's a lot going on. But yeah, I hope y'all watch and enjoy this part of the video, okay?
Now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July. Niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else will do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you in any way I can. I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me to love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe. Love is one in a million. Oh yeah. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah. Your love, it goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 deep. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can kill my mind for your flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
We cater to you.